we have a new broker here, a new broker giving away $100 no deposit bonus, and this new broker is Enco Capitals. And I'm just going to read for you the terms and conditions and information that you need to know before you sign up. And because there are no lot of information provided by this broker, and I was also there checking up everything, and I confirmed few information, but I'm just going to show you exactly what I had and what I know by looking on the broker itself. So the broker is giving away 100 Forex no deposit bonus, and this promotion is kind of welcome bonus, which is given by this broker to new clients only. And as you can see, you have to create a MetaTrader 5 account, and then you can start trading. And as you can see here, guys, the bonus link is right here on the on this website, and also the bonus amount is 100. The bonus type is not the post bonus or welcome bonus, and it's limited kind of promotion. It's available for the limited time, but they didn't mention when it is gonna end. Probably they are looking to a number of people who are going to join this not the post bonus, and when it's gonna expire, we don't have that information so far. The account types is live account, welcome bonus, and I'm gonna show you the screenshot right there on how to go there. The leverage information not yet available, and you have to verify your account first. You have to register and verify your account, and after verifying your KYC, then you can claim your bonus right here at claim bonus claim. After successful verification, please claim your bonus in the dashboard menu, then select 100 welcome bonus. Now a banner then click the bonus. A banner just looks like this. Okay, let me just zoom in. As you can see, this is your dashboard, and after you get in the dashboard, you can see the profile, the financial operations, and this just kind of appear on your dashboard. So you can just click get bonus. As you can see, this is a welcome bonus button given here. Test your trading skill with $300 no deposit bonus program. Join now. You can read the terms and conditions here. I wasn't there, so I don't have the terms and conditions right now with me, so that's why I cannot provide them. So you can see the broker didn't also provide the terms and conditions here. The deposit, you can deposit and withdrawal methods are Visa, Mastercard, Skrill. Okay, that's quite great. The terms and conditions are not well clear here. They are saying promotion can only be claimed once. Promotion may change anytime, but those are just general terms and conditions that we don't really care about. So the address is here, London, UK, and so on, and regulation is also here. And Forex Limited is registered by the FCA, United Kingdom, under this number. Probably the broker is registered, and those are the information that we got from there. So right now, let me go check if I can go straight to the website. This is the website. The website is Enco Capital Group, and as you can see, I'm right here on the broker. So I was reading a lot of information here, and I really didn't find a lot. So you can go here, guys. You can read information to yourself. You can just register right there and see what this broker can give you. And they didn't mention about the availability of the no deposit bonus, which countries are included. We don't know that information yet, but probably if you can register there, you can receive it, or you can see the countries that are not allowed there. So that's bad. I cannot provide those information for you guys, and see you again on the next video.